Wow. The chairman likes it. Trapezioni likes it. Zwane certainly not happy. So it's then adjusted.
Yeah, done and dusted, as Bafana Bosman says there. Thank you to our commentary team. It was a thoroughly entertaining game. Sundowns walking away with the crucial 3 points here. Khulumani Ndamani is the player of the match. I'm sure Ujablile with the outcome, and more importantly, with 3 points for team here.
Yeah, ngithanda ukuqala ngokubonga nje for amajita for ukulwa ngendlela alwe ngayo. Ngicabanga ukuthi le 3 point isho likhulu kakhulu kuthina for uqhubekela phambili. So ngijabule kakhulu.
Asikhulume ngama performance akho since ujoyine Sundowns ngiyakubona ukuthi you fit it in like a club.
Engakusho nje manje ukuthi ngihlezi ngiyimisele ejimini kukho konke okwenzakala because kuyenzeka kube negame ebhedayo. So lokho akusho ukuthi sengiyabheda. So kwami ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngi-improve ejimini. So ngicabanga ukuthi kona ungisiza kakhulu.
Njengoba nje ku-0-0 ngo half time. Ucoach utheni kunina ukuze nikwazi ukuthi niphume nithola ama-point in?
Into esitshela ucoach ukuthi sibe patient because ngathi abantu bebedlala i-middle block yabo. So okwethu bekuthi sibe patient sizame indlela yokuthola ukubagqekeza. So ngicabanga ukuthi kusebenzile because kwazile ukuthola igoli.
Muhle umsebenzi wakho.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Khulumani Ndamani, the player of the match. And of course, Coach Miguel Cardoso joins me now. You did say to me before the game that it is going to be a very tough game, Coach.
Yeah, for sure. Tough because we faced a team that just wanted to defend until we score. Looking for a moment to make a transition and try to profit from that. Anyway, I was looking now 29 shots. Obviously not just seven or eight in the target, but so many opportunities to finish this game earlier. So many engineering on the bench in terms of putting extra power in the front. Of course, we knew that this team is dangerous in counter-attack, so we could not risk everything at once. Expectation that we could, with the team that started, obviously make the job, but then we lost Morena that was playing wide on the right. A little bit of time to compose the team again, to organize the team, but I think that the players were so committed. Congrats to the boys. Amazing job. A lot of emotions after we scored to keep these 7 or 8 minutes that will remain to play. But a great job. Really proud of the boys, really proud of the commitment, really proud of the energy. Still some fatigue on the players, it's clear. We need to focus more than ever on rest. I hope everybody, especially the Masanduana family, the fans of Sundowns, to understand the conditions that these players face since the beginning of the season, the demand that I put it on them, and that they need to obviously sometimes rest. And amazing job. Let's pick the week to pick some energy and face the next match with the same strictness, with the same commitment, with the same quality, and with the same desire and passion. That obviously can make the difference for us.
It's not only that starting 11 that's important, also the players on the bench. Marcelo comes in, a really good finish, good technique there. I'm sure you must have been happy with the impact that he had, as well as everyone else who came on and tried to make a difference.
Yeah, sometimes the players you have is what you have to play. Of course, that on that position I wanted to put a player that is with more offensive characteristics, but Marcelo is a player that goes and arrives on the entrance of the box quite frequently. The goal he scores is a typical Marcelo goal. We also put it again, Lebo and Ikram, because we felt that Brian today a little bit tired. The boys were so committed with the strategy, the dynamics that we brought in, and I'm happy that Marcelo scored, because in the last matches Marcelo is not being lined up from the first 11 besides the cup match. But we know what we expect from Marcelo. He's a high quality player that can help the team any moment, and he's always ready. I feel so proud of the boy. He's such a beautiful player, unbelievable.
Coach, well done today.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Our Sundowns moving to the top of the log, and they'll be delighted with the outcome that they got today. Arthur Zwane joins me now. Arthur, let's speak about your performance and, of course, how you went about your business today.
Yeah, once again, we had very good moments to actually score first half. We had very good break attacks, where selection of passes were actually wrong. But I must say I'm proud of the boys, even though I know they could have done better. We had moments where we could have scored, did not take those chances. Even now in the dying minutes of the game, I think in referee's optional time we had a freak, a set play. Sandilo was supposed to convert and play the ball to the keeper. So yeah, it's one of those. You know, I'm disappointed because they gave everything, and we actually executed the plan in terms of waiting for the right moment, and also at some point playing and force them to counter press. And you know, though we had poor decision making in the final third entries at some point where we put them to one side and then we were supposed to just play a diagonal pass because we had two players who made dissecting runs, and still the ball carrier couldn't see the free players for post. You know, and whenever we did that, we looked like we can create something out of nothing, or we can create goal scoring opportunities. So yeah, it's one of those. Some of the players will learn. I'm disappointed, obviously, we dropped points at home, but could have been better.
It seemed like at some stage that the game plan worked perfectly and you were able to create a few opportunities for yourself. Again, it probably shows the importance of making sure that you put the ball in the back of the net when you get those good chances.
Yeah, like I said, no. I mean, look at that chance of Ngwenya. I mean, just keep her to beat. And we always said this, if you don't take your chances against Sundowns, always been the same story. You know, ever since I've been here, we miss chances, then against the round of play, then they get a goal out of nothing, you know? And then we start chasing again. Look, as I said, I'm disappointed that we deserve at least a point in this game. Though we're not playing for a point. We fancied our chances. And then for us to concede also, just when the game was about to finish, you know. But yeah. We move on. We'll just take the positives from this game and move on.
You speak of moving on, and a lot of the lessons that you take from this particular game. There are some young players here that continue to learn. The likes of Makokola ran his socks off. Khateb has been showing improvement all the time. How far can this group go? Because there is something good that you're building here.
Yeah, look, this group needs time. We were a work in progress. I've always been saying this, but also the winning mentality is what we're trying to instill in this group. We can't just let people come in and out or come here and grab maximum points and go. So they must feel it, you know. And I feel we could have done better when it comes to that today. Showed that killer instinct, you know, in front of goals. Rather force the keeper to make, a save. But instead, we're missing the target completely, and we had good scoring opportunities today, you know, to even win the game.
Coach, hard luck today, and all the best going forward.
Thank you so much.